welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Target haul, or actually no, sorry about that, my Walmart haul. I was just all excited about shopping at Target today. I forgot about Walmart in my head, but I'm here to show you guys some great deals that you guys can do with Ibotta. I am hoping a lot of you guys can hit level 4 this month. It is only the 12th today, March 12th, and I already finished level 3, and I'm halfway done with kind of almost halfway done with level 4. So I'm hoping a lot of you guys get it, but I'm here to show you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. You can do this deal 3 times, Benjamin. You guys can do this deal 3 times if you want per transaction. So this is $4.77. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we got in last Sunday's paper. So you guys will pay $2.77 for this, which is a pretty decent deal. But you guys can actually submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 77 cents. And like I said, you guys can do this a limit of 3 times. If you guys are brand loyal, that is a pretty decent deal, 77 cents. I've never used this stuff, but I don't have acne. But I know people who can use this, so I just got it just to show you guys the deals. I ended up doing the CoverGirl. Now, I've tried CoverGirl makeup before. I'm not a big fan of it because I can never find something that matches my paleness because I'm so pale. So I got these anyways in order to get rid of them or see if anybody wants them. But these were $5.94. I got 2 different colors, buff beige and creamy natural. So we got those. These are $5.94. I used one of those buy one get one free coupons that are on coupons.com. The coupon scanned fine. They just need a CSM, which is a customer service manager, on duty to just to okay it. So the coupon does scan. It just is a little weird. So you guys would end up paying $5.94 for 2 of them, which is still a pretty good deal. But there's a deal on Ibotta right now that you guys can get a $2 rebate if you buy any foundation times 2, making the final price for 2 of these just $1.94 or 97 cents a piece, which I think for foundation, that is an awesome price. You can also do a different deal with mascara, but I wasn't sure if the coupon was going to scan fine, so I ended up just doing this deal once just to see what was going on. The next deal I got is the...
Mama, let me call this.
I think it's broken, honey. It might be broken. There you go. Sorry, we're doing like Mickey in a box. Okay, go take it over there, sweetie. Go take it over there. Okay, so the next deal we got is the DanActive Probiotic Dailies. Now, the coupon is very confusing because it says $2.50 off of, and I know one of you guys commented on it. I don't know. I went on crazycouponlady.com, and they say you only need 1 coupon for 1 product. So, and the coupon, I had 2 coupons, and they both scanned just fine. No problems with the 2 products that I bought. So, just letting you guys know, I'm not sure exactly the wording on that coupon is very confusing. But this was $3.98. I used that $2.50 off coupon that is available on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 48 cents, which is a great deal. I try not to misuse coupons, but it does happen every once in a while, but I'm just kind of following a person who knows a little bit different. I've seen other people do this deal, and I did this deal last week, so I'm sorry if I misused the coupon. It's the wording on it's just really confusing. I also got the DanActive. This helps your immune system. The other one helps your digestive system. So this was also $3.98. You guys want to use the $2.50 off coupon. You guys would just pay $1.48 for this. But then you can submit a different rebate on Ibotta, making this for submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 48 cents, which is a great deal. That's like 50 cents for 8 of them. That's like, I don't even know, 5 cents a piece or something. Not even. I can't think of math all of a sudden. So we got that. Now, I don't know how many times this gum is going to reset for me, but I did the Tic Tac Gum. A lot of their gum was on clearance when I went up there, and I'm just like, how come I don't have coupons for it? But these were $1.14. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon, I think in the 211 Smart Source. You guys would just pay 64 cents for this. But then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. There's 2 different flavors, 2 different rebates, so that is an easy deal. Making the final price for after the 50-cent rebate, 14 cents. You can't go wrong with 14-cent Tic Tac Gum. I don't know. I have yet to try this because I used to chew gum like crazy, but now I barely chew gum. But I don't know. It's a great deal if you guys think. So we got that. I ended up getting the Toffee. I said it correctly from a commercial I just watched after I did this video last time. So my store had this for $2.18. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay $1.68 for this, but then you could submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 68 cents. Wow. Yeah, my husband likes this, and so does my son. I don't know. I'm afraid to try certain candies. I don't know why, but I'm just afraid to try it. So, 68 cents. This is a great deal. There's 12 of them in here, and they're actually really pretty. They're actually decent looking. I don't know if you can slide it open or... Yeah, so this is kind of what they look like. So, that's kind of good. And then I always shop the clearance when I go to Walmart, and my Walmart has a whole entire aisle just of clearance, which I think is awesome. So I'm gonna yawn a little bit, but they had this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blush. I ended up just getting this kind of color because I kind of want something more than just pink. So this was on clearance for $4. I did have a Neutrogena coupon, but the coupon said excludes clearance, so I wasn't able to use that coupon. So I paid $4 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta. I scanned it while I was there, and it showed up as a $3 rebate. So you guys would just get this for $1. I'm sorry, I'm just yawning. I know a lot of you guys don't like it when I yawn, but $1 for this I think is a great deal. I'm excited to try a blush this color. I mean, I use pink, but I don't know. I gotta do a video. I'm gonna do a video of showing you guys how I put my makeup on. I'm just learning new techniques so I can make it a little bit better. But yeah, that was a very small haul of mine. It wasn't the greatest. Walmart there wasn't a lot of good deals, and you guys also probably have a lot other deals than I do. I know Ibotta only lets me lets you do each deal at least 5 times and then it resets. So if you guys watch like my past Walmart videos and you guys have a lot more deals that are obvious that I didn't do, go back and watch those because a lot of you guys should be able to still do those same deals. Mine have they don't work anymore after that. So if I'm trying not to be confusing. So my total came to $18.63 after coupons. I ended up getting $10 back with Ibotta. Plus, I finished level 3, so I got a $2 bonus with that. So if you guys think about it, I got all 9 items for $6.63. I wouldn't say it's the greatest haul, but I got some items that I haven't tried before, and then I've been getting a lot of the repeaters. I just don't know how many times this is going to reset. I feel like I've gotten this like every single week for the last couple weeks, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, and everything literally came out to 74 cents a piece, which I still think is a great deal. 74 cents a piece for everything is still a decent deal. I'm sorry, I'm just yawning all of a sudden. I don't know why. It's the stupid times, the daylight savings time. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys next week for finishing, hopefully, level 4 of Ibotta. If you guys haven't already, you guys could join my team if you are not familiar with Ibotta. I also have a lot of videos of how to use the other apps. If you guys aren't sure, a lot of you guys are asking how to use certain apps, but I have all the links down below that show you guys how to work the apps. But yeah, I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.